When peer editing your legend, use the directions located in your packet. They say, using your digital or handwritten copy of Draft 2 in groups of 2 or 3, do the following. So that means that you'll be working with 1 or 2 other students. First, share your draft with another student and give that student permission to edit your Google Doc. If the draft is handwritten, just switch papers with another student. So if you've used the document that I've asked you to use, you will go to that Google document, click Share, and then in this People box, you'll make sure that the settings are set to Can Edit, and here you will type the email address of the student who's going to be editing your paper. Once you've gotten access to someone else's story, you need to make sure that you first read that student's story all the way through one time. After you've read it one time, read through the story again, marking the following. So first, highlight misspelled words in yellow. So that means that you will go to their document, find any misspelled words, and highlight them in yellow. You will highlight improper punctuation in green or cross out improper punctuation if it's on paper. So that means you'll go to their document. If you believe that a piece of punctuation is incorrect, you will highlight it in green. Then you will comment to suggest proper punctuation. So that means that this document, you will highlight the punctuation, add a comment, and then suggest a different type of punctuation. So if you have run-on sentences, sentence fragments, or unclear or confusing sentences, highlight those in pink. So you will find the sentence and highlight it in pink. Once you've gone through their entire story again, you need to discuss the following. First, is the story easy to understand? Second, does the story follow the order given to you? And by that, I mean, does the story follow the basic outline of a myth? Next, are 3 sensory details used in the story, and are they clear? Sensory details are when you describe vividly something that someone sees, smells, hears, tastes, or can feel. Is the story long enough? So is it 2.5 pages, double spaced with 12-point Times New Roman font? What do you like about this person's story? And is there anything that could be done to improve the story? Once you have marked up your partner's document and discussed those things, you are ready to move on to your final draft.